Softmill's innovation, the hybrid dough conditioner. Technology that preserves the true essence and flavor of bread. We've set a new standard for fermentation. Fermentation powered by natural humidification. It excels in precise humidity control, maintaining stable dough conditions. A 7-inch LCD visualizes every process. Smart Control offers precise management of operation modes, temperature, and humidity. Korea's first mobile water supply and drainage system. It operates immediately with a portable water tank, eliminating the need for external hoses. Free from installation constraints, it can be used easily and conveniently in any space. Another innovation from Softmill, the middle ceramic oven. Technology loved for its ergonomic design and optimized heating surface. Ceramic far infrared rays distribute heat evenly. Deep, stable heat brings the bread's texture to life, achieving consistent coloring across every piece. Ergonomic design crafted for user convenience. A premium oven that elevates your baking to the next level. 37 years of technology, crafted by Korea's master craftsmen.